Hey everybody, this is David at Barnyard Bees. Here's a little tip if you're installing packages. A couple little tips. One is make sure you have something to funnel them down into your hive, a super or some kind of contraption to funnel them in. It makes a huge difference and it's a lot easier. Another little tip, a lot of people has trouble getting these corks out, and what we do, we just take a screw and screw it into the cork and pull it out just like that. It's real easy. You don't have to fumble with just put the little screw in your pocket, and it makes it so much easier. And it pops right out. And then you can tell when you got some good queens. Look how they're covering this up. Their pheromones are just these are pretty good bees. But anyway, what you do, we got our package here ready to go. And shake it down a little bit. Soak it down a little bit of sugar water. I'm a little messy because I'm trying to do this one-handed. Sorry about that. And you simply just shake them in. Like so. I usually just take set it on the bottom, and there's the bees. They're in the bottom, so I just take my hands, and you don't have to do this, but they're good bees. Spread them out a little bit. And that's about it. The bees were really non-flighty this morning. Now there's quite a few of them moving around good. It's warmed up. But anyway, I can't do this one-handed. So I'll get my queen in here in a second. Thanks for watching, Barnyard Bees.